Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for those perfect cufflinks, you definitely have found them here. These World Map Vintage cufflinks by ZUNON are so classy and unique. My husband wears dress shirts 3 to 4 days a week, so this is just the perfect addition to his shirt. These cufflinks are high quality, they're unique, and they're very elegant. We love that gold color with that beautiful map design. He uses this for work, for any important meeting, for wedding, or any special event. He really likes these, and this brand ZUNON provides a variety of beautiful high quality cufflinks. My husband gives these cufflinks a 10 out of 10. These cufflinks are high quality, they're classy and unique, but that's just my point of view.